numbers. We will be given a few digits and will be asked to form numbers. For example, with these 6 digits, we could be asked of how many 3-digit numbers we can form. Next, we might be asked to form anagrams. Here, we will be given a word like silent, and asked for the number of anagrams we can form with these 6 letters. An anagram of a word can be formed by simply rearranging its letters. An anagram of silent would be listen. Another anagram would be ESITLN. What does it mean? Nothing. It's a meaningless anagram. It won't work in Scrabble. Another category of problems would be that of arranging people. We could be asked the number of ways in which we can seat people on 4 chairs, or maybe arrange them around a circular table. So in this session and the next few, we will be looking at the first category, arranging digits to form numbers. Let's say we have these 5 digits with us, and this is what we're asked. Read the question well. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed? Let's form 3 slots here for the 3 digits. How many 3-digit numbers can we form using these 5 digits? And with this question, we have been given 2 conditions. First, it asks us the answer when repetition is not allowed. Let us understand the first condition. Repetition is not allowed. Look at the number 111. This is a 3-digit number, but the digit 1 is repeated. Look at 232 or 544. The digit 2 is repeated here, and the digit 4 is repeated here. By repetition not being allowed, they mean that numbers like these should not be considered. Each of the digits in the slot should be different. So numbers like 123, 341 or 524 are allowed as the digits in each case are different from each other. So let's make 3 slots for the digits again. Now you can start thinking. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed if repetition is not allowed? Before you think of the 3-digit numbers, look at the slots individually. Let's look at the first slot or the hundreds place. In how many ways can you fill the first slot? It is a simple question. You don't need to know permutations or combinations for this. In how many ways can you fill the first slot? You can fill it with any of the 5 digits, right? You can fill it with a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5. These are the 5 digits given to us. Did you listen carefully? I used the word or. 1 or a 2 or a 3 and so on. So 5 ways in all. We can fill it with any one of these 5 digits. Okay, now listen to the next question carefully. Having filled the slot with one of the digits, in how many ways can we fill the second slot? Easy. We have used one of the digits here. It can be any digit, doesn't matter. But after having used 1, 4 digits remain. So the second slot can be filled in 4 ways. If we fill the first slot with 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5 as possibilities here. If we fill the first slot with 3, we have 1, 2, 4, 5 as the possibilities for the second slot. Now tell me, having filled the first and the second slot, in how many ways can the third slot be filled? It's simple. We have used up 2 digits here. Only 3 remain. The third slot can be filled in 3 ways. We're almost done. Almost. The first slot can be filled in 5 ways, the second in 4 ways, and the third in 3 ways. So how many 3-digit numbers can be formed if repetition is not allowed? Do we add these 3 or do we multiply them? What are we doing? Are we filling in the first slot or the second slot or the third slot? Or are we filling in the first slot and the second slot and the third slot? It will be and. Yes, we are filling all 3 slots and not just one. And, as we have seen in the previous session, is multiplication. So we multiply these three. 5 times 4 is 20 and 20 times 3 is 60. There are 60 ways in which we can form 3-digit numbers without repetition of digits. These include numbers like 123, 314, 245 and so on. No repetition. Hope this was clear. Here we started off with the hundreds place. Can we start off with the units place? Of course, yes, we could have. If we would have started off with the units place, we could say that the units place could be filled in 5 ways. Once the units place is filled, the tens place would be filled with any of the remaining 4 digits. And once 2 digits are utilized, the hundreds place can be filled with any one of the remaining 3 digits. 3 times 4 times 5 will also give us the same answer, 60 ways. If you really understood this, then understanding the second stated condition would be super easy. Let's repeat the question on a new page. This time we solve the question keeping in mind the second condition. Given these 5 digits, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed assuming repetition is allowed? So now we are allowed to consider numbers like 111 or 322 and so on. So we have 3 slots for the 3 digits. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed when repetitions are allowed? I want you to try this. Remember, repetitions are allowed. So now we are allowed to consider all numbers which we had ignored earlier. We should have the possible numbers greater than 60. Try it. Okay, as we saw earlier, let's go slot by slot. In how many ways can the hundreds place be filled? It can be filled with any one of the 5 digits we have. It can be filled in 5 ways. Now in how many ways can the second slot be filled? Think well. The second slot can also be filled in 5 ways. Why? It's because repetitions are allowed. If we used up 1 digit here, the same one can be used here as well. So no matter what digit is used in the hundreds place, the tens place can be filled with any one of the 5 digits we have been given. And similarly, the third slot can also be filled with any one of the 5 digits. 5 ways again. If we have 1 in the hundreds place, the same one can be used in the tens place and in the units place as well. There are no restrictions here. So as we are filling in the first and the second and the third slot, we multiply these 3 numbers and get the answer as 125 ways. What does this answer imply relative to the previous one? Let's go back and see the previous answer. If repetition wasn't allowed, there were 60 ways in which we can form 3-digit numbers. And if repetition is allowed, there are 125 ways. Why has the number increased? It's obvious. Here, apart from the no repetition ones, like 123, 314, 245, we have allowed numbers like 111, 222, 434 and many more like them to be considered. So I hope both cases are clear. Repetition allowed and not allowed. Which case do you think is easier to solve? Think. It is the repetition allowed case. We don't have to worry about any of the conditions given. It makes life really easy